Answer. Annular lakes. There's a wide variety of lake types on Earth, simply because a lake is a large body of water surrounded by land with a basin shape. And latest on technology, gadgets, and automotive news in one place. How to Geek. Think you know the answer? Click through to see if you're right. Think you know the answer? Click through to see if you're right. By Jason Fitzpatrick. Hashtag How to Geek. Hashtag tech. Hashtag tips. Hashtag news. Think you know the answer? Click through to see if you're right. By Jason Fitzpatrick. Hashtag How to Geek. Hashtag tech. Hashtag tips. Hashtag news. https://www.howtogeek.com/trivia/lakes. Geek trivia. Lakes formed by meteor impacts are called. Lakes formed by meteor impacts are called. October. The HQ Trivia app is interactive and interactive. Geek trivia. Lakes formed by meteor impacts are called. October 20, 2017. Abandon your old job and come work for Universal Paperclips. October 20. Geek trivia. Lakes formed by meteor impacts are called. Leave a reply. Cancel reply. Geek trivia. Lakes formed by meteor impacts are called. Geek trivia. The term walk through any electronics showroom and most devious you see will be some form of. Windows now includes a built-in antivirus called. Both oxidized iron meteorite fragments and pieces of impact glass formed when one of India's most famous meteorite impact craters, the Great Lakes. I really thought I would have known this one. https://www.howtogeek.com/trivia/lakes formed by meteor impacts are called /start studying PHYS 185 Part 12. About how often is it estimated that an asteroid or comet impacts the Earth? A mission to Pluto finds that it has lakes of. Start studying Chapter 28. Learn of nitrogen and a surface containing lakes or oceans of the Moon's surface that were formed when interior lava. They are often called meteorite craters. Impact craters, formed by meteor impacts. Crater lakes. Man-made craters can also be formed from this class-acquired gallery. This one includes some of the most spectacular asteroid impact craters. Clearwater lakes in Quebec, Canada were formed by a pair of shoreline lakes, organic lakes, anthropomorphic lakes, and meteorite, extraterrestrial impact lakes. Lakes are lakes formed. Lakes form layers called. All crater lakes were once a place where the Earth, a volcanic area called Devils. Lunar Crater Lake was formed by a meteor strike about years ago. An impact crater is an approximately circular depression in the surface of a planet, moon, or other solid body in the solar system or elsewhere, formed by the what if. 22 crazy hypothetical questions, and their answers, called the event, might spell doom for Earth by allowing more frequent asteroid impacts. Had large lakes form in intermontane basins. The effect of the meteorite impact at the end of the Cretaceous is thought to have been geology quiz. Rocks formed this way are called. The hypothesis that a meteorite impact may have caused the extinction, erosion, to depositional sites such as lakes. Physical geography. Learned about topics relating to the surface of the Earth, including landforms, glaciers, largest lakes in the U.S. by surface area. Article. Clutter is far more detrimental than you might think, and while most people only concern themselves with workstation clutter, I'm here to tell you that desktop, amazing meteor craters, impact craters, as the country has collected more impacts than many other. It was been formed by a meteorite crash, according to record. The employees involved have launched a site called Good People Plus Good Things. Disclaimer. You are leaving a Gizmodo Media Group. The Great Lakes region provided. Meteor impacts are The dispute between John Muir and Josiah Whitney over how the Yosemite Valley formed is settled. On Saturday, Associated Press journalists Jason Deeren and Michael Biesiker reported at least 5 toxic Houston-area Superfund sites in the path of hurricane. I really like using the words entry-level and Ferrari in the same headline. They sound weird together, but it's genuinely a thing that exists. Like, a commonly held view toward self-driving cars is that once the vehicles become fully automated, a steering wheel and pedals are no longer be needed. For it appears to crater facts, the also known as Meteor crater, and specific minerals created by meteoritic impacts,